Now let's try to insert a video in our page. I have created a page with name second and inserted a video from this particular link, insert video. As this video takes too much time to insert, that's why I am already inserted here. So now when you see the preview part, the video you will see the video here, but when you try to click on it, it will not work. So for running the video, you have to publish this page. As I already published this page, that's why it is saying the update portion. So from here, now see the preview part. Now here is the preview. When you try to click on it, it will simply run the video. So here is the video. So by this way, you can insert videos in your blog. So now move to next. After the pages part, let's see the layout. See, layout describes if you want to add something on your page, or in anything like header. If you want a header on your page, then you can add by here. You want to change it, like by simply click here. If you want to change the header, like I have write the blog title Sanatan Dharam College. If you want to write blog description here, then you can write here. If you want to insert an image, from here you can drag that particular image. See, let me insert some image. So see, various options are there behind title and description, where you want to show the image. Instead of title and description, that you don't want to show the title, just simply display this image. Save this one. So now header part is updated. See, let me show you the preview. Let's understand something more. See, here is the page list. So if you want to see the page present on your see here, I'm just already by default it is clicked the home button, home page. So if you want to show these two pages also, then simply click on that. Here you can also change the sequence, like you want first page, then second page, or you want to change the sequence, then simply drag and drop it. Okay, and at the end you have to save these changes, otherwise it will not reflect your page. So there are various options. If you want the search button on the top, like search this blog, you want to search anything on. So if you want to show this, then click on that, otherwise just uncheck this button. Okay, so save this. So now let me show you the preview part. So here's the button first. See here, as I insert an image, that's why it is showing like this. So this is the first page, then you want to see the second page. I have clicked on first, so second one is this. Here is the second page, which is a video part. So by this way you can change the layout of your particular blog. Theme part, if you want to change the theme is just like your template. So here, as I selected this theme, so my blog is based on this theme. If you want to change the theme, just simply click or select a new theme. From here you can select any theme which you like. There are many themes. See, if you select this one, will ask you to customize or apply. Just apply. Okay, if you want to change or want to see the preview, from here let's see the preview. So here is the preview. So according to preview of according to the theme of template, theme of layout, you will get the images as like this. In previous one you can't see this particular image, but in this image is coming properly. So here is the text, and on this side you are getting the 3 pages. One is your home page, that is this one, then is the first, second, and at it is about me, like my name here, Shikha Verma is present here. If I want to provide my profile detail, then I can provide by this way. So here are showing the post of September, then move on October, November, up to so on. If you will try, if you will continuously work on it. Okay, so if you want to customize this template, like you want changes in this, just simply click on customize. See here, main color theme, if you want to change the main color theme, like you want to change the color, so from here you can change the color. Okay, background and color to the theme by default. Reset means if you want to go back the previous adjust bits, if you want to setting the width, sidebar, how many width is there for sidebars, layout. So various options are there. You can customize your template, your theme here in blog part. Okay, so now next is your settings part. Settings part is basically for to make any changes, any type of changes to your blog, like the basic information of title, description, any language, or privacy part, if you want to show this blog to the search engines or not. And the main thing I want to explain in the setting part is to delete the blog. If you want to delete your blog, then find the link, remove your blog. From here you can simply remove your blog by clicking the remove button. Just click on delete, it will remove your blog. And by permanently delete, you can completely delete this blog from your machine and from the server part. So now it is deleted, so there is no blog.